everybody. I haven't posted in forever. I don't remember the last time I posted, but in this video, I'm making slime. Come on, do you guys want to have like the bowl? So I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna open this quick. Okay, I'm not gonna put too much. Okay, do you guys want to have this open? Okay, so I also got some food coloring. I'm gonna use green. So yeah. Okay. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, so I forgot I was recording, but I already activated. It's not fully activated yet, but well, it's kind of still sticky, but whatever. I'm gonna add some sand to it.
How many are there?
But not like one of my other slimes. I am going to be doing a slime collection, which I don't have many slimes, so please don't judge me. I'm only going to add that much. Already going click. I am going to do another one today, since this one was very short. I'm going to do my slime collection.
Some of one is blood. Some without breath.
A bit.
And some with little red.
Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Don't know if you can see it. It's very nice. So I'm gonna go get a container. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video, which I'll be posting in like a few minutes. So yeah, don't want to overdo it. That's enough. I'm not gonna put any more. Whoa. Okay. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash the like button and this is my son. Yeah, so like this video and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for my next video.